theme of the week has been sharp reversals. Monday started off in this way, with the nasdaq 100 sharply reversing. Notice how price tagged the key trendline we've mentioned in previous videos before retracing lower. The sharp reversal came as yields ticked higher, driven by a stronger than expected retail sales number. Price actually gapped up overnight on Sunday and rallied initially on Monday before that sharp reversal. Apple also didn't have a good start to the week. On reports, global iPhone shipments fell 9.6% in Q1. The stock is on track to finish the week down over 5%. Tuesday price consolidated but remained weak as the nasdaq 100 didn't recapture most of Monday's drop. This was likely due to Fed Chair Powell saying interest rates may need to stay elevated amid little progress on inflation. Yields continued to rise, with the 2-year briefly spiking above 5% on Powell's comments. On Wednesday, we had further breakdown in price following Tuesday's consolidation. Tensions between Iran and Israel have also added to the volatility, with the volatility index up 14% this week. It has become a headline-driven market the last couple of weeks, so risk and position size should be adjusted accordingly. US stocks fell sharply again on Thursday, though Meta was an outperformer, after mentioning it will be introducing AI to its social media platform soon. We've said this before, but CEOs know that simply mentioning AI in a press release will boost their stock price, and we're seeing evidence of that again this week. Thursday's drop was driven by Fed officials continuing to talk down the prospects of any rate cuts this year. Goldman Sachs has gone as far as forecasting no rate cuts this year, which has unsettled tech stocks and the nasdaq 100. Both Bostic and Kashkari came out on Thursday, suggesting there may be no rate cut this year. Today we're seeing continued weakness, with Netflix falling sharply after reporting earnings that beat. Despite that beat, Netflix will stop reporting subscriber numbers from next year, hinting at potential maturity in its subscriber growth, which the market didn't like and the stock sold off. Going back to the daily chart, we can see price had yet another sharp reversal today. The nasdaq 100 remains edgy due to the uncertainty on rate cuts and Middle East tensions. If this inverse hammer candlestick remains into the close, we're likely going to see price head towards the 200-day, with the 200-day EMA around 16695. 17240 followed by 17680 will now act as resistance. Next week, earnings continue with Tesla, Meta, Alphabet, and Microsoft all reporting. In addition to that, we have US Q1 GDP on Thursday, followed by the Fed's preferred inflation measure PCE on Friday, so that'll be the focus. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content, and I'll see you at the next one.